Na-remind ko siya. Na-remind ko siya nung nakita ko siya sa likod na ano pa siya, no? Pregnant pa siya. No? And this leader is na-influence po siya ng ating Diamond 3-star na professor sa Lasal. Na? At itong mag-asawang pala ito, estudyante niya. Galing talaga ni Sir Brandon, nasa si Sir Brandon. Talagang ginali niya yung mga estudyante niya, no? Siyempre, maniniwala sa kanya kasi estudyante niya, no? At saka naman mayroong resulta. Talagang nakita naman ni Sir Brandon na talagang kakaiba ang platform ng Relay. So, at siya pala yun. Kasi lagi ko silang nakikita dala din yung mga anak nila. See? Even you have children, you have kids. Kung gusto mong gawin itong Relay, there is no reason. Ha? So they bring their children. Tama, Relay baby na nga daw po eh. Relay baby na yung kanilang anak, no? So sabi ko sa kanya, ilang taon anak ko? Tita, tanongin ko ilang taon na ako. Sabi niya, kasi ganda-ganda mukha ako. Saka dito sa Relay, walang pangit. Sino ang magtatas na kami na pangit siya? Ha? Wala magtataas na pangit siya. Lahat tayo dito maganda. Kung maganda ka na at gagawin mo ang Relay platform, lalo kang gaganda at gwapo. Right? Okay. So, for that, can we welcome our Diamond 3-star na siya? Diamond 3-star, Donna Perez.
Magandang hapon po. Na-crush ako sa 3-star. I'm gonna career your Diamond 2-star, but why not? No? Let's change from this year. Actually, that's our goal naman for this year talaga. So, that's it po. I'm a teacher by profession actually. And then, leader sharing. Correct po? Sino po nakakalam na nasa leader sharing tayo? Yes, okay, leader sharing means we're gonna share our journeys, our success stories here in Relay. So I think that's what I'm gonna share today, kung paano ba, why, bakit ako nandito, why, and then paano ko siya ginawa, I'm a teacher by profession, graduated from De La Salle, and then my husband as well, graduated from De La Salle with 4 years degree also and then 2 years culinary certificate. And then we end up in Relay. Why? It's the big question, Bakit? Di ba kasi yung parang mga magulang nyo? Muntik na po. Lalo na kaming mag-asawa, we chose different path. Naaalala ko, before Relay, actually, we tried a lot po, traditional, and then we enter in this kind of industry. I remember my husband and I, we have plan A, we have plan B. So our plan A is to go abroad. So when we got married kasi talagang hindi na ako nagturo. Okay, hindi na po ako nagturo. And then, yung husband ko, plan namin is abroad. Siyempre, that's the, kasi we Filipinos, we want opportunities. And if we want to level up, yung buhay natin, I think ang sagot lang natin, mga Pilipino, is to go abroad, to have a better life. Correct?
Yes.
And then, kinasal kami ng husband ko, and then after namin ikasal, siguro mga 2 months, papunta na siya ng abroad. I think that's, kasi at the age of 24, nag-abroad na yung asawa ko. So, managerial positioning siya abroad. Maganda, pakinggan. Pero pagdating sa bubuhay na ng pamilya, tagilid na tayo dyan. So, pumunta siya daw, we decided, sige, punta ka sa Qatar. And then, yung asawa ko, sabi ko, itong plano natin in 1 year, magpapadala ka sa akin, yung papadala mo, iipunin natin. Yung iipunin ko yan, hindi lang yung gagastos ko dyan. That's our plan A, ha? So, sabi ko, ang puso nun is pupunta ng MOBA. Alam niyo yung van? So, sabi namin, bibili tayo ng van. Para next year, nandito ka na. Uwi ka na dito. So then, nag-plan kami, tapos kinumpute ko. So kung magsisave ako ng 20,000 times 12, magkano po? English major po, hindi ako math. Maliit, di ba? Wala kang 1M. So, parang makakabili ng bag ko. 1M, magsisave lang ako ng 20,000. Yung sahod lang that time ng asawa ko is around 50 to 60. Paano pa siya doon? Kailangan hindi na siya kumain doon or kami. Diba? So sabi ko parang hindi okay. And then that time, paalis yung asawa ko. He came across his, I think, classmate niya din sa Lasal. And then in-introduce siya sa first, sa first network marketing niya. No, sa industry. Sabi niya pa sa akin, dollars doon na. Tignan natin. Paalis siya doon eh. Sabi ko parang alam ko yun Kasi when I was in college talaga, nagtatry din ako ng mga businesses. Sabi nga sa akin, ano ba yan doon? Dati po yun ganda-ganda, may kape kang dala. Kasi mga classmates ko mayayaman why not? Diba? Bibili nila yung 300 pesos, 150 that time yung kape, wala lang sa kanila yun. Gagamit pa ako ng lotion, sabi ko, tignan mo. Okay, that time is number 1. Pag tinagalog nyo, yun po yung kata ko nun. Bibenta ko sa school. So sabi ko sa husband ko, parang alam ko to Pero syempre, I allow him kasi syempre, father of the family. Alam niya. And then, nakipagkita kami to sa classmate niya na yun. Dinarinig ko, dollars. Oo, gusto niya. Pero nandun na yung visa ng asawa ko. Actually, natuloy siya sa Qatar. Natuloy siya sa Qatar noon. And then ako, buntis ako that time. Tapos, dumadalo pa ako nun sa mga trainings para matuto sa business. And then yung husband ko, magkausap kami. Hindi ko sinasabi niya kasi sa akin, Mami, huwag kang iiyak sa phone. Huwag kang magsasabi masyado. Kasi baka mapauwi mo ako. Kaya pinipigilan ko. Pero bigla kami nag-usap. Sabi niya, Mami, hindi. Sige, umuwi ka na. So 1 month, umuwi siya dito. We have nothing left actually. Okay, yung pera na iniwan niya sa akin bago siya umalis, pinambili namin ng napakaraming product na ibebenta namin. Tapos umalis siya. Tapos umuwi siya in 1 month. So ibig sabihin, breach of contract. Ibig sabihin, magbabayad kami. Nagbayad kami. And then, walang sumundo sa kanya sa airport. Ako lang. Tinawag ko yung father ko pa, sunday naman natin. So, nagugulimihanan sila. Ba't umuwi si Anne? Butis ka parang maanak. Ang dami, pero kasi kapag solid kayo, when you decided to do something, talaga magtatagumpay kayo. No? Pero hindi po kami nagtagumpay. Okay, after that network, that company, that first MLM ng asawa ko, he opened his mind, napili niya wala nang nangyayari. Actually, nag-assess naman siya sa lahat. That's why, after that company, he jumped to another. And there's so many. And then, after that, nandun, na-meet namin ulit si Sir, our mentor, Sir Brando Tanawan. Hindi ka ako si Sir Brando Tanawan. Hindi siya sa Mario. And then, merong bagong company ng asawa ko, sabi niya, Mami, nag-guess si Sir Brando. Magkikita daw kami. Sabi ko talaga, sige. Meet kayo, ano mo na yan? So, nag-meet sila. Pag-uwi ng asawa ko, sabi niya, Mami, kamusta? Kamusta nangyari? Sabi niya, Mami, nabahang pa siya sa lamesa. Ang ganda ng product ni Sir Brando. Pabalik tayo dyan. Ano na naman yan? Sabi ko, focus na tayo sa ganito. Hindi, Mami, iba talaga to. So, and then pinamit niya sa akin ulit si Sir. Binit kami ni Sir Brando. Pinaliwanag niya siya. Sabi ko, na-amaze ako. But then, biglang itong husband ko, ang sabi niya, ay, Sir, malabo yan. Walang bibili niyan, ang mahal niya. And then, napaisip kami. The second question we had for Sir is, Sir, paano kami makakapag-date niya? We only have 3,000 in our pocket that time. Kasi nga, remember, dami namin focus na ginawa mag-asawa, syempre. We tried a lot before network marketing platform. Before pumasok kami sa industry na yan, my husband tried negative, never go negative. That is the name of our clothing line. We have Patricia's Burgers and Fries, his line. No? Tinry din namin yan online. And then pinasok niya din ang event organizer. Pupuntahan niya yung restaurant na hindi matao. Makikipag-negotiate siya sa may-ari, gagawin yung matao, yung restaurant and then kikita siya at least 4,000 per night, pero hindi pa rin yun. Okay, that's why we jump into this industry. You know why? Sino po aware na we are in the multi-level marketing? Be proud. Yes, you know why? Because if you are starting, that you don't have any money in your pocket to start a business, did you know that if you want to start a business, you'll be needing at least 6 digits? Bakit ko nasabi? I asked someone. Kasi sa mga clients namin dito sa Leeway, talagang mga high-end. And then I asked, sabi ko, actually, ang natanong ko lang si Mami Connie is 300,000 is enough to build a business? Hindi. Magkakasaya ka lang. Why? Kasi you need to have a plan B. What if yung pandemic thing? Diba? Nagsara yan. Ilang araw ka walang pasahod, kaya mo masustain? You don't only have that money? That's the traditional business. Let's face it. Okay? So, sabi ko, if you are in a multi-level marketing, that is the very good platform to start if you have nothing. If you have nothing, look at a company where it can give you the highest potential product. And I think I saw that in Leeway. Do you agree with me? Yes, please, let's put a round of applause for that. And that's why we continue to strive in Leeway. Pero hindi siya basta-basta rin. Hindi madaling pinagdaanan din ng husband ko at ako. That time, nung sinabi na sa amin ni Sir, and then we had that question, remember the question, Sir, paano kami makakapag-date na? Kasi ang naisip na, ang ganda ng product eh. Pero parang ayoko naman na tanggihan siya from time to time. Natanggapin ko na lang sa sarili ko. And I assure leaders lahat nandito, no? The worth of the product, 170,000. Parang ayoko tanggapin na hindi ko siya kayang bilhin. Imagine that 170, hindi ko mabili. Or the one baht, hindi ko mabili. Mantalang pinag-aaral ako ng nanay ko sa magandang school, tapos yun lang, hindi ko maganda daw yun sa mga nanay, sa mga 50 years old and above, because it's 5 years younger. You know, we, daughters and sons, we are striving to become successful like me, so we can get back the gratitude, the love for our parents. Hindi dahil may utang na loob kami sa kanila, but because we love them. Diba? Pero baka we are so very busy doing, maging successful, ang nawawala is yung time nila. No? Kung na-reach ko yung top and then I have money already, paano kung kaya ko na lang i-offer sa kanila is magandang hospital, nurse na mag-aalaga, diba? Sa tapat ng beach. Diba? Pero hindi yun eh. Hindi yun ang need nila. When I saw they went to national, the product for your placenta 5 years younger, I still have time. Imagine reverse aging from, if you are 50, if you take the therapy, 50 years old going down to 45, 40, 35, sino may gusto mo? If I'm going to work so very hard, I will work hard here. Kasi I will work hard, nababata ako. I'm not against employment. Kung mag-employed ako, you're going to give your best for 30 years. Yung kanina, di ba, yung lecturer si Mami Flor, di ba, for 32 years. So, bumata ba si Mami Flor? Nung nasa Leeway na. Correct? So if I'm going to give my 30 years in this company, at mananatili akong ganito, hindi sinasabi talaga yung edad, no? Diba? Why not? Diba? And then, I'll give the product to my parents. You know, it's very hard to think the price of the product, yes. Pero let's not linger with that. No, let's think about how can we get that. Okay? Kasi yun yung nag-ano sa amin ng asawa ko. How, sir? And then sabi lang sa amin ni Sir Brando, open your market. Yes, we have market. Okay? Kung hindi namin kayang bumili, may kilala kami kayang bumili. Okay? And they are looking for it. Kasi yung mga market namin ayaw ng lotion. Ayaw ng vitamin C ng sabon. That time. No? So, we reached the right market. So, ibig sabihin, you will come to a point na makakamit kayo na wala lang sa kanila ang 170,000. Yes, and that is the people that we are looking. No, yung mga may kailangan ng product. Paano naman doon na yung mga hindi kaya? Work on it. Just like me. if we linger that time, imagine ko, kasi last night, BDJD, let's give a round of applause to with Sister Jamie, no, na nagkasama. Sabi ko, ano ko sa Riway? Parang medyo nakalimutan ko. So, nag-reminisce ako nung nag-start ako. Sabi ko, hindi naman mahirap. Kung nag-linger kami sa ganito yung presyo ng product, baka until now, pinoproblema ko pa rin yung presyo ng product. You know, I asked myself, sabi ko that time, hindi ko man gawin yung business side. Next week, next month, next year, I'll be needing this. My parents will be needing this. How can I avail that? So I focus on the platform of Riway. That's why I'm so in love with the company. I'm so in love with Mr. Limbono because he put Riway International into the platform where a lot of people will benefit from it. Can we give a round of applause to him? Kung nag-linger kami sa 3,000 in our pocket, I don't think that I was able to take 4th year and have my second child. No, so the age dot is 9 years, and I had like gestational diabetes during pregnancy, and then my OB said, hindi ka, huwag kang mag-4th year, wala pang ganyan. But I took 4th year in the morning, 4th year at lunch, 4th year sa gabi, no, sa first trimester ko, and then I continue it hanggang sa mga nakakontik, no. Nabili namin siya. Diba? Because of doing Riway, because doing the platform of Riway, and because Riway International is a multi-level marketing platform where you can start from nothing. Sino po dito yung nagtatanong, paano ko gagawin yung business, lalo na sa mga pistay naman, sa mga bata naman tayo. Okay lang ba? Okay? Yes. So, paano naman gagawin doon sa may mga work? Sa may mga work. Ganyan din po kami noon that time. So, I have my part-time job that time online kasi nag-hustle husband ko sa labas. And ako, I chose to stay at home for my little girl. And then, nag-online teaching ako that time. So, sabi ko, parang hindi ko pa kayang kitawan yung online teaching. Pero gustong-gusto ko yung Riway. Gustong-gusto ko tulungan yung husband ko sa Riway. So, anong ginawa ko doon? Hindi naman basta-basta bibitawan yung work nyo. Okay? Because that's what I did that time. Ang sinabi ko lang, I want to start a business, but I cannot leave my job. So what are the things that I can do? Adjust my time. I have 24 hours. You have 24 hours, right? So I don't need to work 24 hours. Okay? So sabi ko, I can leave my job. So then, what the things I can do? I adjust my mind. But I'm so shy. I cannot talk to people because I don't have a result. Correct? I cannot talk to people because I don't have a result. Lalo na sa mga pinag-aaral namin ng husband ko. Napiling ko, pag i-chat sila ng husband ko, block agad. Kasi dami ko talagang pinasa ko. So that's what they do. And then, what are the things I can do? Because I cannot talk because I don't have a result. Binaliktad ko lang. Talk to people so you can have results. And that's what we did. We talked to people, so many people, and then we had the first result without even reaching the 1 star. We had our first car na patapos na ngayong taon. Yes, let's keep going. Nakuha namin yung with 1.9 because we talked to people. And you know, paglabas ng kotse na yun, ang sumama sa akin that time is mostly my close friends. Inaabot sila ng taon bago maniwala. Because that time, they don't want to talk to me kasi I don't have results. Kung nag-linger ako doon, I pity myself. I remember, produkto ako ng leader sharing, 3 p.m. Nandiyan ako, actually, John Terry. Nandiyan ako nakaupo that time. Ganyan, kalapit sa stage. And then, I'm wearing purple pa noon, and then brown coat, kasi wala akong black coat. And then, hindi tumating yung kaibigan ko na mag-meet kami. And then, I exit, I went to her house, nag-usap kami, pero yun nga, sabi niya, sorry kasi walang maiwan. And then, naglakad ako pa uwi, after ng dinner namin, lumabas ako pa uwi, yung subdivision nila, napakalayo sa gate, naglalakad ako. But you know what I felt that time? I don't pity myself. Kasi once you pity yourself, you will stop ahead. You will stop. So that time, okay. Ninamnam ko lang, no, I can't do this. Okay. So, at least I have my bag, at least I have my, sabi ko talaga kung ano-ano na lang iniisip ko, at least I have my shoes, beautiful shoes. Kasi first time ko mag-outfit ulit kasi lumabas, kasi nga, work from home. No? So, that's what we had before namin makuha yung kung anong meron kami. Actually, this 2025 were so very comfortable kasi 2023, I got pregnant again, tapos 2024, syempre nanganak. So, medyo lalo sa sarili, hindi na masyadong nakakausap. Pero, pag-check ko naman ang portal, 6 digits, why not? Diba? Pero hindi ko lang comfortable. Pero that comfortable life, sabi ko, parang hindi tama. Sabi ng husband ko, parang hindi okay. No? Kasi usually, pag tinanong niyo yung mga men in black dito, yes po, 6 digits ang ini-income nila. Trabahong tama yan. Naniwala ako sa sinabi before, hindi tayo, trabahong tama lang 100,000. Totoo po yun. Okay, totoo po yun. Kasi naranasan namin. So being comfortable with that track, sabi ng husband ko, let's push harder this 2025. So that time, na-imagine ko right now, sabi ko, paano ba kami nag-umpisa noon? That time, we don't have account. Paano kami nagka-account? We're so, you need to have desire to do something. No? But that desire, kailangan samahan niya ng desperation. Because if you have no desperation to do something, kasi dati wala kaming account, saan nakukuha ng account? And then yung asawa ko, sino-sino kinausap until bumili yung mother niya ng 1 bottle, and then kinausap siya sa Pangasinan somewhere. We met a stranger, a doctor, and wants a product without account, and in-account namin. And then my husband worked so in 7 days. Nakuha husband ko yung account na yan, and then we worked so hard. And then that time, hindi ko na alam kung sino kakausapin ko, I focus on myself. Alam niyo ba, hindi ko kaya tumayo dito sa unahan. I master myself. You master yourself first before you do something. So that time, we have the desire, and then we are desperate to have it, to win over it. Okay? But then, of course, you need to take down notes, your belief system. Okay, you need to work on your belief system. Why? Let's say, for example, do you believe that we have a sun? Sun, araw. When it's raining, do you still believe that there's a sun? Yes, okay. Reality versus truth. The reality is it's raining, there's no sun. That's the reality. You cannot see the sun, correct? Because it's raining. But the truth is, there's a sun behind the clouds. Same thing with Riway International. It's very hard. That's the reality check. I don't have money. That's the reality check. But the truth is there's thousands of people created their success stories. And it could be one of you here. And then I want to be one of them. To create my success stories out of desperation because I want to change my life. In Riway International, Mr. Lin Bonhong created a platform where you can dream big. It's up to you if you want to dream big. It's not too late. There's no such thing as too late. Okay, not now, yes. But you have to do it. Regardless of what is your situation right now, we all have problems. Okay? I remember may talk before. Lots of problems have solution, yes. But did you think most of the problem has no solutions? Yan ang tinuturo sa atin sa NPO. No? Our mindset, no? Usually, we don't need to solve problems. We just need to be strong to face them. Daanan natin. How strong are you to face your problem? Not to solve it. Kasi we usually cannot solve problems. Price slashing. Can we solve that? No. Do you want to linger with that? Pag nag-linger ka dyan, hindi mo maaabot. No, yung gusto mong rank here in Riway. That's the problems that we cannot solve. But you've been eating your personality. You need to have strong to face those problems. That's why we have events after after events. That's why I'm so in love with viewing talaga. You have something to look forward for you to motivate yourself. It's just up to you if you want to do it. No? And it's all free. Imagine this coming February 5 LTS leadership training, all expense paid. You just need to go inside. You know, the first time I went to NTO, one of the biggest event of Freeway, I felt my value. It's the first time na 8 a.m. ang start doon sa One Esplanade, NTO. Again, I'm wearing my favorite t-shirt purple, and then that time, black na yung coat ko. And then, nag-taxi lang ako from Dasma to One Esplanade, and then medyo mga pang-5 ako sa pila, and then I saw kung gaano kaganda sa loob. May long table, may chairs, may bottled water, may paper, and then pencils. Sabi ko, wow, ganda. Siguro yung mga bandang unahan, first floor, second floor, third floor, o siguro yun yung mga nasa taas na. To my surprise, nung inopen yung gate, I'm on my feet, nasa pang-5 ako, pinapasok kami, and we can choose our seats. Yes, merong seats for the elites. And then, pero sobrang lapit sa kanila. Sabi ko, wow. And then, I sat down. Sabi ko, nakinig ako. And then, nung AMs na, may naghahatid ng food. Sabi ko, wow. Wala ko pero that time eh. I'm starting. And then, my lunch. Aba, may PMs na. Sabi ko, I'm so very happy. Sabi ko, what kind of company that you will invest and then the company will invest back to you? Don't think that you will just buy the product here. Okay, you invest to yourself, but did you know the company will invest back to you? That's why we call it just a bonus, not a marketing plan or compensation plan. Correct? That time, I was so enlightened. Sabi ko, I think I want this. Nagsulat ako doon, I need this income, I want this income. I was able to dream big again. Okay. So sabi ko nga, sino pa ba magtatanong sa amin aside from Sir Brando or direct sponsor ng husband ko na sasamahan ka para abutin yung pangarap mo? If you have those uplines right now with you, keep asking you about your dreams, kung paano mo yan naaabot, tignan nyo. Okay? Kasi palapit kayo ng palapit sa tagumpay. Can we keep a round of applause? Lahat ng mga leaders nito, I'm sure that we can get the things that we wanted. I want to share a lot of things, but I guess for now, that's the end of my sharing. Thank you so much. I'm your Diamond Co-Star. And nalala ko mag-iinit this